mga kalaagan, ako si Kalagan Fritz at ito ang Laagan sa Subo. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Subo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Subo. Sabi nga nila, health is wealth. It's a very special episode kasi we will be talking about or magchichikahan tayo about health. Help me welcome a very special guest, former Undersecretary of DOH. Help me welcome Dr. Eric Tayag.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good morning. Good evening.
Yes.
Fred.
Hello,
Let's start
Doc.
with the handshake.
So, Doc, I would like to ask, what do you think are the most pressing health issues facing our country today, and how would you address them?
Alam mo, kung ang pag-uusapan natin ay top leading causes of death, number 1 dyan ang ischemic heart disease, yung atake sa puso. Pangalawa ay cancer. Pangatlo ay strokes. Yan ang top 3. But if you go beyond the top 3 and we talk about the most basic challenges sa healthcare natin, 3 yun. One is access. Paano akong makakakuha ng serbisyo? Number 2 is affordability. Kaya ba yun ng bulsa ko? And number 3 is quality. Baka mamaya kaya-kaya ng bulsa ko, may mapupuntahan ako, tapos pagpunta ko ron, walang doktor. Walang gamot, walang bakuna, walang pang-laboratory, walang x-ray. So, yun ang mga challenges ngayon. You know, Fritz, if you go around the country, each one of us will face any of these 3. At ngayon nga, sa ating sistema ng pangkalusugan, swerte na lang. If you have access, you can afford it, and you get the quality you deserve.
Access, that's one of the important things. And may budget ba? May pera ba? Ganon. Now, how would you ensure that all citizens have access to quality, affordable, or free rather, healthcare?
Unang-una, you have to understand na wala naman talagang libre sa mundong to. Somebody has to pay for it.
Yeah.
For example, sa ating health needs, either meron kang insurance, aasa ka sa PhilHealth, o kaya naman sa Department of Health at meron silang tinatawag na subsidy. But what we have, HealthPH Party List, just have these 3 numbers. Fritz, you want to hear?
Yes.
152. Yung kasi ang numero namin sa balota. So, yung 152 na yun ang numero ng HealthPH Party List. Pero gaya nga ng tinatanong mo sa amin, how we can ensure that each one of us will have access, they can afford, at makukuha nila yung quality, is a health card. A health card that will be your guarantee para kang nakasandal sa pader na hindi ka na matatakot pumunta sa anumang ospital, anumang oras, sa anumang lugar dito sa Pilipinas, sapagkat yung health card na yon ay hindi ka na maglalabas ng pera sa iyong bulsa. So wala talaga naman libre, pero yung health card na yon, yun ang kasangga mo.
At least it will help, no? Kasi you go to hospital pa check up, hindi ka mag-aalala na bills na naman ito, pera na naman to. Oo, mamaya na lang siguro. Ganon, di ba? Oo. And also, yung number na 152. Pwede yung pa-take ng photo, di ba, Doc?
At ba yan sinasabi namin, gusto ko, healthy ka.
Gusto ko healthy ka. How would you engage with local communities to understand their healthcare needs and concerns?
Alam mo, marami na sila napapakinggan. It's time tayo ang makinig sa kanila.
Listen.
We listen sapagkat maraming beses ko na itong sinasabi, Fritz. There is innovation, technology around us, but they should meet compassion.
Oh, Compassion.
Sapagkat kung galing sa puso mo yung pagtulong, pagbigay ng serbisyo, kahit na mailap sa kanila ang technology, this will balance everything.
Oh. Now, also, Doc, no, alam mo, I researched about before we had this interview, ni-research ko talaga, what good about the health card is, even though for call center agents, BPO company, it helps. Kasi kahit mag-resign na ako, no, hindi na ako mag-alala, okay, wala na yung insurance ko, pero it will help kasi kahit mag-resign ako, may kasandal na ako, di ba?
Please let me understand this. Ibig mo sabihin, marami tayo sa BPO na gusto nilang umalis.
Oo.
Subalit, what prevents them is that mawawala yung
Insurance.
kanilang
Yes.
insurance privilege.
Correct. So kaya nga, that's the reason why because of this, it will really help a lot. Diba? Like for example, mag-resign muna ako. Tapos, I'll take a rest. Pero whatever happen, at least may health card pa rin ako.
And more importantly, ang bibigay nitong health card is this. You do not delay your visits. Sapagkat alam mo, hindi ka sisingilin. Alam mo, may doktor na titingin sa
Oo.
At pangatlo, may iuuwi kang gamot.
Oh, so everything andun na, ready na eh. Diba? So yun nakaganda dito. Now, also, Doc, what motivates you to continue serving the public both as a doctor and as a party list representative?
Yung makapagbigay ka ng hope, makapagbigay ka ng motivation sa kanila so that they can protect themselves against the illnesses that they may get. Yung makita mo yung ngiti na natulungan mo sila. That's enough for me.
Return baga smile. Maganda na yun. Oh.
Katulad ng ngiti mo.
Wow naman
That's
talaga.
enough for me.
Diba? Oo.
Ang smile ni Fritz, it's enough for us.
Diba? Now, Doc, kindly please invite our Lagan sa Cebu viewers your social media platform and how we can support you for the parties. Go ahead.
Okay, ang Heal PH Party List ay nasa Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, at X. Follow us on all those social platforms. Pero ngayon na nanonood kayo, gusto ko,
Healthy ka!
Let's do it
Again! Let's do it!
again!
Yan! Mga kalaagan! So, ang dami-dami natin nalaman ngayon. And also, once again, our former Undersecretary of DOH and also Hill PH Party List number 152, we have Dr. Eric Tayag.
Thank you, Fritz.
Thank you very much for
It's my pleasure.
Subo. And it's an honor to have you. Thank you very much.
Thank you din sa inyo.
Yes! Once again, mga kalaagan, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Cebu and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Cebu. You may also follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz and this is Laagan sa Cebu saying, Gusto ko, healthy ka!